Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can enrich the documentation database of AskYourDatabase.com for Matomo so that you can get better results. So, okay, what is important to understand is that by default, AskYourDatabase don't have a clue about how your database is structured. And as it doesn't know how your database is structured, when you're going to make some query, if the query is complicated, high chances that it doesn't show you the right result. So in order to do so, we are going to do something like, maybe I can take number of unique page view based on the page URL for a given website. Okay. Count the number of unique page views based on the page URL. So let's take this one. Okay, so count the number of unique page views based on the 4 ID sites. Number 1. Okay. Here I didn't precise any date. So we're gonna see how it's gonna make it. So here, first of all, you can look at the request. So Matomo log action name, unique page views, Matomo log action. Whereas the query should be, let's say I should precise for the month of August. Okay, so for the month of August 2024. Ah, damn it, that was for the month of, for the year 2023. Okay, so here is going to make the mathematic. Let me correct the query and retrieve the count. Let's see if he can make it. Okay, well, let's say waiting for it to make it. What's going to happen is like, you can take this query, you can go over here within the documentation, you can decide to add one, you can insert here, and then you can say, oops, count the number of unique page views based on the page URL for a given ID site for month of August 2023. For a given ID site, so I have no idea where the ID site is. ID site. Okay, well, whatever. Let's validate it like this. And now we're going to ask exactly the same question. Exactly the same question, which is count the number of unique page views based for an ID site number for the month of August 2024. And let's see if now it's going to be better. So here you see that it was able, so actually August 2024 did not exist yet. Okay, so for 2023. So if I pick up this, no, for August 2023. By the way, if we just pick up this, oops. Okay, I cannot select it. But if you look at the way it's structured, it looks like the one that we just have over here. Check. So if I go back here, there, okay. So dealing with the date, it was a bit different. Okay, so let's say, okay, so for July 2024. Okay, so here, as you can see, strangely, it's not picking up the same structure as this one, but for the rest, this one is okay. This one looks okay. This one looks okay as well as unique page view. Okay, so if I sum it up, by giving the documentation, it seems that it gives a better result than the one which is over here. When it comes to the accurate results, well, let's pick up, so July, if I go over here, July 2024, I should get 100 and something, 116. So as you can see, it's kind of interesting to see that if you pick up like the full documentation here and that you get a good understanding of the MySQL database and that you give it on and on and on and on to the AI and that you double check on each time that the results are correct, I'm pretty sure that at the end of the year or after some months of trying on and on and on, you get a decent result.